Good morning. It is day 7. Sadly, it's the last day of our cruise, so we have nothing really planned except for an ice carving competition or demonstration at 1 o'clock, and then we're gonna go check out a comedy show at 9:45. Other than that, it's probably gonna just be buying stuff to get into trouble with or stay out of trouble with. So let's go get some breakfast. The ship is still rocking. It's interesting seeing everybody sway from one side to the other. The water in the pool is going all over the place. There's a lot of stuff going on. So should be a fun day. So today's the last day for us on the cruise, and look at what our awesome cabin attendant did for us. Isn't that cool? That was very nice of her. And then she even wrote on our board that it was a pleasure to serve us, and she appreciated us leaving her the tip and candy and stuff like that we did daily. So that's really cool. I like that. Well, sadly, it is 10:36 p.m. on day 7 of our 7-day cruise. So we wrapped it up. So we just got done watching Happy Cole. It was the last show for the night. That dude is friggin' phenomenally funny. He's hilarious. So today was a pretty interesting day. What I thought would be a day of relaxation and nothing going on turned into a day where disaster control happened. So we started off the day just hanging out, getting some sun on the forward deck. Then we hit I hit the pool while she's still sunned, and then the waves were so crazy that water was splashing all over the place and whatnot. Then we hit the hot tub. Then we went and got some lunch, and then we decided to go play cornhole. And we were 3 games in, and somebody was playing ping pong next to us. She pointed up to the rope bridge thing, the rope course that's above us, and there's a gentleman there unconscious. And the rope team, the people working that course, they were quick. I say within like 2 minutes they were there and already working on harnessing them up. Somebody was on the bottom setting up the belays and whatnot, and so I helped hold the belay to help bring him down, and he got down close to the ground, and about 8 other passengers came by and helped grab him and carry him to the ground so he wouldn't get hurt any further. And then by the time the medical staff got there, he regained his consciousness and stuff like that. But you know, I've always just wondered like what the training goes on a ship, because you know they dock at 6 in the morning and they do a quick turnover and try and get everybody going on board, you know, by 11, you know, or 12, depending on how fast people get off the ship. And so I know they just turn and turn and turn. Well, this evening I went up there to talk to the 3 guys because they were fast, they communicated well, they were a well-functioning team. You know, I did rappelling in the Army, done rope work in the fire service, and they were spot on with everything. And I asked them, I was like, how often do you train? And they said, once a month we have mandatory training, but the 3 of us get together when we have downtime and just work on it during that downtime so we can maintain our proficiency. And that just speaks volumes of those 3 gentlemen, because 1, they're young, and 2, they understand that, you know, it's not as simple as calling somebody. Like, they are the people to be called to help get these people down to safety and stuff. So that was pretty impressive. And then we went to dinner, and dinner was rather average for this, what I've come to expect for this ship. And after that, we came back to the room and packed and caught Happy Cole's last show, and we're just wrapping the final things up. Using this wonderful internet that Carnival provides, I've still got 8 hours and 43 minutes to download 4 videos. So I should be waking up in about 8 hours from now. So we'll see what happens to those other 43. Maybe I'll cancel that one that's got 2 videos that has to be downloaded and do that when I get home to real internet that is phenomenally much more cheaper than this shippy, I said shippy, internet. Okay. But I hope you've enjoyed the 7 days. I've enjoyed the 7 days. I think Hesian's enjoyed the 7 days. Beautiful places, new faces. Met a lot of great, interesting people on this cruise. So tomorrow we're going to get up at 6, get breakfast, and hopefully we can get off the ship by about 7:30, 8 o'clock. We got to be at the airport by 10:30. So we should still have plenty of time, about a 30-minute drive depending on traffic, to get to the airport. So hope you enjoy the videos as much as I enjoyed being at the places where I made the videos. Appreciate your continued watching. And so this is going to come out probably in about a month from now. So what's today? The 9th? The 9th, right? Yeah. So today's the 9th of December. And today I got an email. And thanks to you, I hit 300,000 views. And I have had my channel up for like about 11 months now, 11 and a half months or so. So I appreciate you, and I can't wait to hit 500,000. I can't wait to hit 1 million. So if you could do me a favor and make sure that if you haven't already done so, if you like and subscribe to my channel, I'm trying to hit 750 subscribers by January 1st. So I got, well, shoot, by the time you watch this, you know, hopefully I'm there. But, you know, I appreciate it if you could share it with your friends and stuff, your family, and your social media. That would be awesome too. I'm trying to be funny in these videos as much as I can, but I'm being serious too, because I gotta try to make everybody happy nowadays. So I try to do a little funny, a little serious, and whatnot. So that's pretty funny in some of these videos, especially my review of this ship. So until next time, I'll see you in the next journey.